Hey, this is Mike, and today I'd like to talk about Neovasc. This stock trades on the Nasdaq on symbol NVCN. This stock was down over 5%, down to $1.42. You look at the 5-day chart, this stock was almost sitting at around $2 a share. And, with the slide that we've been having in the markets in the past week, Neovasc has been hit pretty hard. However, the 50-day moving average on Neovasc is sitting at $1.30. So this stock is pretty much still intact. It's not as broken as you would think. It's just that with these sub $2, sub $5 stocks, they can make 5% moves pretty easily. They're just a lot more volatile. So with that being said, if Neovasc can hold above the 130 level, I definitely think it could turn itself around and potentially move up, especially if we have a strong rally in the market this week. We may have that, not really sure about that. However, for the long term, I actually think Neovasc is a really good company that could potentially be much higher. So Neovasc is involved in making products that are involved in heart treatment or treatment for the vascular system. So they have two products. They have this Tierra product that's involved for treatment of the mitral valve near the heart. And then they also have the Neovasc reducer product, which is used for treatment of angina. So these products have a huge market. I think it's a potential market of anywhere from like 4 to 10 million patients who cannot be treated through surgery to repair the vascular system. So they just implant these devices to help, regulate the flow of blood throughout the vascular system. And because of that, I think there's a huge potential market for Neovasc and for the stock to be much higher. It's just right now the market environment we're having right now for the small cap stocks is pretty rough. But however, this is kind of the time you want to go ahead and do some bargain shopping. The small cap stocks have done really, really well over the past 2 months. So it kind of makes sense that we get a pullback, and the pullback is going to be painful. I mean, I heard a fact that 20% of the stocks in the Russell 2000 were up more than 50%. So that means a lot of these stocks are going to get 20 to 25% retracements, even more. But looking at all the stocks that are pulling back, the medical devices stocks are the ones I like. And Neovasc is definitely one of the stocks you should take a look at if you're looking for a stock that could potentially make a run up to $5 before the end of the year. So once again, Neovasc trades on the Nasdaq on symbol NVCN. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot. Bye.